We'll guide you through how to fix contacts not showing up on a new iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's frustrating when your contacts are not showing up, because when one of them goes and calls you, of course, it's then not got their name added. It's just a random number and you don't know who it is. But also perhaps you're trying to go and contact them and you can't because you don't know their contact details. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's his full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. To get started, come to the Contacts app. Now, as you can see here we are, for instance, no contacts. First of all, do just ensure you're looking at the right list. So press the back button in the top left and you can have multiple lists here. So what you could do is press all contacts at the top and maybe then you can go and see them. However, if they still aren't, what you want to do is you want to come to your settings. So close out of contacts and find settings and open it up. First of all, you need to come right to the top to where you can go and see your name or your Apple account and you can tap there. Then you want to go down and go and find iCloud. As you can see, there it is. And you want to go down to where it says saving and tap see all. Scroll down here and what you may need to do is go and switch on contacts. What may be the case is that the contacts are in iCloud. So you need to go and have this switched on and then those iCloud contacts are going to go and be synced onto your iPhone. So switch that on and just wait a moment or two. And then what you can do is come back to contacts and hopefully they'll then go and be appearing. Now, if they still aren't, what you want to do is come back to your main settings here. You want to go and scroll all the way down to apps at the bottom. Scroll down again and you need to go and find contacts. This is alphabetical, by the way. You can always go and use the search at the bottom if you're struggling to find it. So press contacts. Then you need to press contacts accounts. You may need to go and add the account for the contact. So you can press add account. You could go and add your Google if that's where they're stored, maybe your Outlook or your Microsoft account. And after you've added it here, or if it is already added, you need to make sure contacts are switched on here, as you can see. And you could then go and choose what's going to happen to your existing one. So you could go and press keep on my iPhone in this case, and those contacts from this account are then going to go be added in. So you can return and check your contacts and then hopefully they'll go and be added there. As you can see, we've now got Gmail and I've got 97 when I press all. So hopefully you managed to go and get them.